Hi, I'm Jason here in the Night and Day Window Decor showroom, and I'm going to talk about our Ultraglide operating system. The Ultraglide operating system is great for kids and pet safety, as it has a very short cord as well as the newly upgraded wand. So you may have a cord or a wand, but the system works the same. So let's take a closer look.
Go.
The operating system itself is quite simple in its operation, complex in its engineering design. There's two gears. One gear that is operated by clicking the mechanism to the middle, which releases the shade, and another gear that clicks back in place, raising the shade. It's a lot easier to allow the shade to drop below your intended position and then do your slight adjustments as you raise the shade up. So two gears. Sometimes what can happen is if it gets stuck in that open gear, it will not raise the shade. So that gear has to be engaged over to the right, which you can do by just pulling down or pulling that cord over to the right just slightly.